In this lecture, we'll learn what is web scraping, why it's useful, and how it helps us gather information automatically from the web. Before we go into the topic, let's take a real life example to set the scene. Imagine you're a student working on a school or college project. Your topic is Einstein's biography and achievements. Now, your teacher has asked you to gather detailed information about Albert Einstein, such as his early life, the schools he attended, the theories he discovered, the awards he received, and the places he worked. To collect this data, you naturally go to websites like Wikipedia, History.com, or other famous educational websites. You open the browser, type Albert Einstein biography, click on the top links, and begin reading. You scroll, copy a few lines, then switch to your Word or Excel file and paste the content. Then you repeat the same steps on another website, reading, scrolling, copying, pasting. It takes time. You do this for 5 or maybe 10 websites, and you finally build your report. Now imagine your teacher says, "That was great, but I want you to keep this report updated every week with the latest sources." Or maybe your college wants you to track multiple scientists like Newton, Marie Curie, and Nikola Tesla from different websites. Now, the same task becomes heavier. Would you really go to every page again, repeat the same copy paste steps every time, search for the new lines, and rebuild the report again? That would be very tiring, boring, and time consuming. Even worse, you might make small mistakes, missing one date, skipping a line, or pasting something twice. What if you had to do this for 50 people or 100 topics? How would you keep it up? This is where Python and web scraping come to the rescue. Please don't forget to subscribe to my channel and click on that like button if you like my video. Also click on that notification bell. Thank you. Python gives you the ability to write a simple program that can do all this work for you quickly, correctly, and automatically. It can open the same websites, find the exact parts you need, like Einstein's birth date, his Nobel Prize, his theory of relativity, or his death year, and save all this into a nice, clean file. You don't even need to open the browser or touch your keyboard. The Python script will do it all while you relax or work on something else. So, web scraping in Python means writing a small program that opens a website for you, looks at the page, finds the information you want, and brings it back for you. It's like sending a robot to a website. The robot doesn't look at pictures or designs like a human. It only reads the code behind the page. That code is written in a format called HTML. Inside that HTML, there are words like prices, names, dates, phone numbers, or anything else that is shown on the screen. Python can understand that HTML code and find the exact spot where the data is written. Once it finds that spot, it is copied from a website using Python, and it can be saved in different formats, like a CSV file, a JSON file, or directly into a database. Then your own website, which may be built using Flask, Django, or any other framework, can read that data and display it on your web page. For example, you can show it in a table, a list, or even as part of an article. Every time the Python script updates the data, your website will show the latest version too. You don't need to sit and read every page one by one. Python does that job for you quickly. Let's say we want to know how many homes are for sale in a certain US city and how much they cost. There's a popular real estate company in the US called Zillow, which shows property listings on its website. Now imagine you're working for a real estate research agency that needs daily updates about home prices in different states. You can open Zillow and note down the price, address, and size of each house by hand, but it's slow and tiring. Python can be used to visit the Zillow website, find all the property listings, and collect the prices, locations, and square footage of each one. The Python program will read the page like a human, Look for the right pieces of text, like $500,000 or 3 bed, 2 bath, and save that into a file. This can be done for hundreds of homes in just a few seconds. You don't have to click anything. The program does it all. Now, your research agency can get daily reports about the real estate market in New York, California, or Texas without anyone typing. You can use this collected data to create graphs, spot trends, or make predictions about house prices. That's the power of web scraping, and it brings important online data right to your screen. And you can set it up to do every morning like a digital assistant. No human mistakes, no wasted time, just fast, smart data gathering. Even better, if Zillow changes their listings, your Python script can fetch the updated ones too. This helps businesses and researchers stay informed and make better decisions quickly. So, this is a simple explanation of what web scraping in Python is, why it's useful, and how it can help you collect information automatically from websites. In the upcoming lectures, we'll learn how to actually build these scraping programs step by step using real tools and real websites. See you in the next lecture.